Good evening, everybody. Dave with Renko Kings. Renko Kings brings you simple, clear entries. It's September 10th, about 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're looking at the micro NQ, and we opened up here in the overnight session, and kind of starting to look like we're having a topping effect here. Okay, might be starting to roll over. I'm seeing some lower highs and some lower lows here. Okay, we've got stair stepping 1, 2, waiting to see if we get a 3 printed or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set up for a breakout trade. Okay, so there's a couple different places that I could do this. I could just put it here at the low for the overnight session, but it seems like we've got quite a bit of support right here. Okay, and you've heard me say this before. Anytime we have 2 or more of the support or resistance lines lining up here like we do, and it doesn't have to be tick for tick, it's a significant area. Okay, and when we break that area, we expect to see a significant move. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my short breakout line here, and I'm going to put my long breakout line right up here. Okay, so let's give this a little bit of time and see exactly if we get a definitive move to the upside or the downside. Okay, so because this breakout, it looks like a fail to me at this point, I'm gonna redraw this line, and I'm gonna put it up here at this new high. And my reasoning for that is I want to see it break this high before I look for any new long trades. So you can see we've got a lot of support down in this area here. And you could potentially put your breakout below this here. So for right now, I'm going to leave it. But, this hasn't been broken yet.
MNQ trade alert. MNQ, sell signal 4.
Order submitted. Order filled.
MNQ trade alert. MNQ, sell signal 2.
Order submitted. Order filled.
MES trade alert.
Okay, so we tried to get filled here.
Sell signal 2.
It moved too quick. I went for a modified entry over here, and I got stopped out. Okay, now I can tell you an observation was when this blew through here and only retraced this much. I got to be honest with you, I was a little hesitant taking this because I'd like to see it come up closer to the zone. Look how this one came all the way up and kissed the zone. Okay. But the market was moving so fast, that's why I went ahead and took it, because sometimes you'll just get a nice runner and it'll just move and you'll be out of the trade, within seconds sometimes, or just a couple minutes. So this one came up, same thing, closed down on me too quick, so I went for a modified entry, and we just have to wait and see. We're taking some heat now. I have no idea if this is going to continue lower or what's going on, so just have to give it some time here to figure out what's going on. Okay, we closed down. That's good. See if we can get our first target.
Target filled.
Nice. 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 Got our second target too. Nice. Actually going to keep my... I don't like that this put in a double bottom here.
MES trade alert.
But I'm going to give it a chance. This could be a mistake. I might have left... Maybe should have left my stop where it was, but...
MES trade alert.
83.50...
MES trade alert.
Stop filled.
Okay, minus 14. Okay, so not a great trade, right? Alright, so we got 64 ticks over here. Minus 45, so $9.50. So yeah, I should have been a little bit quicker when I saw this double bottom here form. That's a little scary, right? Because exactly what I was concerned would happen happened. And, so we tried tried to get to the upside, couldn't, failed, came down, broke out of the bottom side, but we really didn't go anywhere, did we? So it looks like it's going to try to break the top side again. We've definitely got enough this time for the offset. Definitely more than 10 ticks.
Order filled.
MNQ, buy signal 4. MNQ, buy signal 4.
Target filled.
Nice. Well, I've already taken 2 trades, so I'm kind of breaking my my trade plan right now. So I'm going to err to the conservative side and bring my stop to break even. I've got 26 ticks already in the bag, so I need to be extra conservative on this trade here.
MNQ trade alert.
I've taken the risk off of the other 2 targets here by bringing it to break even. It'd be great if we get an up close on this, because then I can scale up. It might only be 4 ticks or something, but it takes all the risk off the trade.
MNQ trade alert. MNQ, buy signal 4.
Okay. So we get a couple ticks there anyway. 3 locked in. Let's see if we can grow some legs and try and get that second target now. Doesn't look like it, does it?
Stop filled.
Okay. Okay, so, you know, look, we don't have any control on if the market's going to move or not, right? All we can do is understand our tools, know how to use our tools properly, look for the proper setups. You know, I'm looking at this one here. You know, we had a modified entry, so we reduced our risk on this. Over here, we were able to get our first and second target, took a small loss, and I should have just left it at break even. But we were so close to the breakout zone here that I said, okay, you know, it's 14 ticks or something. So, but after seeing this double bottom down here, it's probably wiser to leave that alone at break even. Okay, and then what happened over here? We got our breakout over here. Looks like we had some slippage, right? It's quite a bit, actually. It's got to be 5 ticks. It's quite a bit. You know, we got our first target, and you know, we just couldn't get any follow through with the market. Simple as that. So that we can't control. But what we can control is our own emotions and our knowledge on why or why not we're going to take a trade. And as I review all of these, everything looks good to me. Everything looks in line. I think I managed this one properly. You know, I looked at it over here. I looked at it, well, this was pretty much a break even over here. maybe a little bit of a loss, $4 or $5 loss after commissions. Okay. So I kind of looked at these two trades as a break even, and that's why I decided to go ahead and take a swing at this. I just didn't get the follow through that that I was hoping for. So look, that's real trading. Okay. We're showing it the way it is, guys. It's simple as that. They're not all going to be home runs. They're not all going to be winners. You're going to have losers. That's real life in this business, okay? But I think that this demonstrates that if you use the tools properly and follow the training that I give you, even your losses can be minimized. Okay, and I think that this is a good example of the market isn't always going to move in your favor, and it's how you choose to deal with it and manage your trade. Okay, so
MNQ trade alert.
I hope this example helps. Please make sure you're taking notes, and if you guys have any questions, please email me. Okay, have a great night.